Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. So we're getting back to the jits of doing the Erwa glider, so we can see, and both cameras. Um, Putting it in front of me here. What I have been doing today is trimming out all of the ribs that will go for these wings. The wings is really the last component before putting the whole plane together. And then once I get it all put together, um, I'll have to do all little finishing touches and things like that. But this is the way the wings are for now. So just gonna kind of show you guys how all this fits together. Actually goes around opposite. So I'll show you one. Two, 22, six. That's how it goes. So it has a sloop back, and then this, of course, will go right over here. The wingspan's about that big. Can't really see it on the camera too well, but it is pretty big. So, um, how am I going to fit everything in here? Well, we'll figure it out after we get the glider together. I'm already looking at a next glider to build after this one is going to be called a Hightailer. Uh, I'll put a link in the description box below so you guys can see it. Actually, watch out for my posts, and I'll have it up on Substack. I'm probably make a short video about it. Probably do a short write up on it also. But definitely the Hightailer uh, is definitely on my list of gliders I really want to do. And the Philion Champion is also in the glider, vintage glider that I really, really would like to do. So I hope this build will inspire many of you to get into building your own glider instead of buying a glider already built. Building it is a totally different thing. And if you guys built Legos as little kids, this is basically your next thing. You definitely want to get into building your own planes and having fun building it. You get to know what is wrong and what can happen with your own aircraft. So you guys get into your own building. So I really hope that. Um, But yeah, that's it for now. Right now, I just wanted to show you guys this, and we'll have some more stuff coming up along the way. Catch you on the next one, guys. Model Man Frank out.